I just reached to this hotel quite late, about 8 p.m. now, and then this video I'm going to share with you that the stay experience at Novotel in Sao Paulo. I will show you the room, I will show you the facility, and then share with you that the tips that to stay in this hotel. This is the room. It has a musky smell, like mold smell, which I don't like it, and it's very old. It's very amazing to turn on the switch. It's very difficult to find out the switch to on that. So TV here, and the safe, and the fridge, and all the mini bar. The power plug is right over here. Let's see, the drawer is empty, and the lamp has got lots of stain. But the floor is very clean though. And this is a toilet. Let me see the shampoo. The shampoo actually smells okay. Very classic type of smell. The hair dryer like this. And very clean towel. And standing shower. And I like they have the bidet. Okay, so end of room tour. I'll show you the breakfast. Just woke up. The noise soundproof air, I think it's quite good, and I don't really hear any traffic from the street. Air conditioning can go up freezing cold, which I like it very much. The bed is clean, it's comfortable to have a good sleep. Only the shower is a little bit difficult to control the temperature. It takes some time to get the hot water. The hair dryer is average, and the shampoo is surprisingly very good. I'm very happy to get a very good clean. I can feel my skin is very smooth now. Then I will show you the breakfast and then go to the gym. Then I'll give you the tips about the stay experience. Here's the breakfast area, and then can see that the food here looks good. Start from the pastry, and then the cold cut. They display it very nice. Then here is the cereal stations. You get the condiment and the milk. I like it very much, and I think they still have to prepare some of the food. Food here looks good. Let me see. Coffee is right over here, and there's more pantry, more pastry, and yogurt. Sorry, I just woke up, very blur. Yogurt drinks, and then the milk. And then here's the egg stations. Okay, if you like to get the fresh juice, you can get this machine. Just pump this and you can have the fresh orange juice. I think fresh watermelon juice and detox juice. Then you can pump the Nutella like that, and then the toast is like that. So let's see what they have for the hot food. The very first thing that it would be the scrambled egg. It looks good. Then there's sausage, pepperoni sausage. I am not sure what is this. I will give it a try. And couscous. The next one will be the porridge. So these are the food that you can get right in this hotel. In the hotel, there has a very cool alcohol vending machines. So you can see the price for the wines. Sparkling wine is quite affordable. It's only 65 local dollar, real or something. And also they have the popcorn machine. I think it's very cool. It's my first time to see this. Then you get the paper over here under that, and then you put it here, and then you pay and you get the popcorn. Here's a gym, and 2 treadmill to run, some dumbbell, and then the machines like this. So in the gym there's filter water like this, the hot water and the cold water. Yep, not too bad. So here's the towers. Okay. Sorry, my mic is not working. So I'm going to share with you that the stay experience right over here. I do strongly recommend to stay right here because I think this hotel is in a very good location. It's surrounded by 2 restaurants in just right next door, and across the road there is a supermarket. It's called the Carrefour Express, which is you can buy the drinking water, all this thing, or some light bite, all this. The breakfast is good. I actually had dinner at the restaurant. The food is actually not bad. The portion is huge, but it's just a very long wait. Then the staff here are very nice. The breakfast are very reasonable. The bed is clean. The soundproof is good. I think that I really make a good choice around here because in this hotel it's quite near to the places that I wanted to go. It's actually walking distance to some of the places as well. I will say that no regret to stay in this hotel. And then it is very safe in this area. I don't see any suspicious people or like homeless people try to approach to me when I wait outside the hotel for the tour or I go out somewhere. Then yep, I hope that this video is helpful for you and for you to book the room, for you to pay for the breakfast. Okay, goodbye.